Hey ho, how are we all doing today? Mr. Wonderful here as usual. So this is another Ian coin. They're quite rare, these Ian coins. This is a World War peace dollar, 1939 to 1945. And the date is 2005, my birth year. Okay, so first of all, we're going to bang a hole in it. Hope you're all doing well. Beautiful day here in Finland. If you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it. There's a little red button right in the corner of the video. It costs you nothing, there's no obligation. And I'll be your bestest. I could do some more love. We could all do some more love. Right. That went through. So Big Bertha looking rather sexy as usual. In her back with her pink shawl on. Right. This is my third coin today. I'm trying to make quite a few videos because I start on the market on Friday. Like I say, I leave about, what, 5 in the morning? Jesus wept. Hello? I won't be getting home till 5 or maybe 6. It's going to take me a while to get back into the swing of things, so I doubt if I'm going to feel like doing videos when I get home, so I'm doing a few of them. I don't know when this will come out. You just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits in there. I was shocked the other day. I got a phone call from one of my subscribers, living quite a way away. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. I thought, I don't recognise that number. I thought it was one of the foreign people on the market I'm friendly with, you know, because they've got different phone numbers. I answered it. He said, "Is that Paul?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Oh, this is so-and-so." And of course, I started swearing because I was shocked. I try not to swear on the videos, but this guy just caught me out of the blue. I was just taken back, totally shot away. Of course, I was swearing like a trooper, so I apologise for that. You know who you are. I couldn't believe it though. I was totally blown away. I've got to admit, you've got a sexy voice, man. Right. My girlfriend, she told me girlfriend, and she could believe it. Right. So, ouch. So now, you want to fold it. Australia. So I think we're going to go with this face side up. So this is going to go face down in my die. There's not a lot there. I'll have to use another. I'll have to use a couple of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. Right, let's go up to big red. Big bad red. And let's fold it. That's so funny. Right, now it should fit in this one. Yeah. Here's a clever boy then, eh? Just want it level. I think we need a bit of Looby Loo. Looby Loo, where are you? There she is. Bit too much as usual. You know me by now, I always go a bit too much. A touch too much. Right, there you go, that's better. She's all lubed up, ready for action. Right, come on, keep it clean. There you go. Right. I just want to clear up this edge. This is Emma. This is Sandy's sister. Just want to make sure it's nice and clean. No cracks forming or splits or hoochie coochie coos. Right. So we'll show a bit more love with Bernie. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. I do appreciate it. More than you know. Right. I need some more water for my... we're nearly out. And we'll dry it off. And then we go over to our best friend, the one and only Spike. There he is, standing tall, standing proud, like a ring stretcher should do. The kitchen roll is to stop you losing the detail on the inside of the ring. Oh, you're not going to see it because it's on your finger, but it's nice to know it's there. Some guys use a plastic bag, you know, some guys wrap a bit of paper towel around it. I just do it my way. I did it my way, yeah. You didn't know I could sing, did you? I should have been in a rock band, you know. I wish I'd have learned to play the guitar. It would have been really nice. Because when I was in my teens, I used to drink with Lemmy out of Motorhead. I mean, I was only, what, 18. And he just started Motorhead. They used to come down my local. He was good friends with the Hells Angels, and he was a nice guy. Right. Pretty damn sexy, what do you think? Right, let's show it some more love, because it's quite a tough coin, this one. I don't know what it's made of. Probably rebar. Yeah, I'm nearly ready for the market. Nearly. Right, I think we could give it a little bit more. Just a touch. But we don't go a touch too much. I think that will do. But yes, we've got to heat it up again because it's like it is made of rebar, this coin. I was watching YouTube this morning. The English police force. What a bunch of bastards they are. There's some old boy, he's over 90. He's in a care home. He's got a butter knife in his hand. He's got one leg and he's got a butter knife in his hand, okay? So the police come, a bloke and some woman. So they say, drop the knife, it's a butter knife, don't forget. They say, drop the knife, and he wouldn't drop it. And they kept saying, so he gets out this pepper spray. He says, if you don't drop it, I'm going to pepper spray you. And she got out a taser. I thought, well, they're not going to use them. I mean, he's 90, you know. He can hardly stand up, the poor bugger. Anyway, he lifted his arm up as if he was going to, you know, do, I mean, Jesus, what's he going to do, you know? Jack shit. Anyway, so this copper sprays him with pepper spray in his face. Of course, he's lost the plot, this poor old boy. And what does she do? She tases him. Unbelievable. Hey, then they say, nobody trusts the police. Yeah. I wonder bloody why. I mean, I know it's pretty bad in the States as well, but Jesus wept, you know. 90 plus he was. Pepper sprayed and tasered. I think he died. So they're in the shit. How sick can you be, eh? There you go. I mean, stuff like that really gets my goat, I tell you. It really does get me. Right. Sorry about that, but I thought I'd tell you that one. You'll probably find it yourself on YouTube. I remember when I was a kid, I don't know if I mentioned this in one of my other videos, when I was a kid, our next door neighbours died. They was really old, you know. They was friends with my mum and dad, and they used to go there for coffee on a Sunday. I used to go, but I've never been so bored in my life, you know. Anyway, they died. This policeman come, and there was a radio, and there was sort of handheld radio. Of course, I was too young to really understand what was going on. It was on the sideboard. Anyway, this copper comes and does what he has to do. And then he left, and I looked around, this radio had gone. And I looked out the window, and he was walking to his police car with his bloody radio in his hand. I mean, I wish I'd have been older, but I didn't mention it to my mum or anybody, because you just didn't, you know. God knows how old was I? Shh. No idea. Probably 6 or 7. I mean, you're not stupid at that age. You know what's going on, you know. Crazy. Right. Let's chuck in. Hello, Kate. Looking rather gorgeous today. Is that the right Kate I'm looking for? I suppose it is. I didn't think it was. Where's the other Kate? Got a few different types of Kates around here. I have to use this one. This just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit. And I just want to clean up the edge where I cut it out. Oh, it's getting a bit warm. Ooh la la, cha cha cha. Right, let's take out. How's it looking? Yeah, love it. Now it's funny, this is perfectly, the walls are perfectly straight, and yet when I go like that, it looks like they're still a bit cone shaped, but they're not. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'll do anything to you. Right, let's chuck in the one and only. The new quite warm today. Starting to get there. Should be time for the shorts. Right, what have we got? I'll have to do the inside by hand for now, but I will go around it. I've got to make up another smaller whatever's going on here. I need to make up another smaller Felton John to get inside, because this one's too big now. Right, let's get another cloth. Oh baby. Bit more. This might be nice for some older chap. There's not many of them left now though. The old timers are in the war. That's why you 2002, that's why you put this kitchen roll on there. There she is. Where is she? There she is. Hello Lizzie. But this will be cleaned up again inside. I've got to make up a smaller Felton John. So what size we got in the end? This is a size, and you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but blah de blah de blah. This is a size 9.25. Oh, nearly 9.5. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. Fits this finger absolutely beautiful. So thank you all for your support and hitting the like button and your comments. I love reading the comments. I answer them all, and God willing, I'll see you all tomorrow. So bye bye.